everybody. Welcome to another edition of James Jam. I am Jane. This is my jam. It's funny how you try to keep saying some of the same things on videos to keep it consistent. But this is my jam. I have quite a number of things to unbox today for you, and so I thought I'd get started right away. First thing is just a quick thing. It's a scent, Winnie BLV. You know I love scents just like you've been doing lately. And I got this, and I never should have ordered it. It's the Tom Ford Lost Cherry Eau de Toilette. And I got this. It's beautiful. Comes in this beautiful little container. It's like a travel size. It's got rose gold along the edge here. Magnetic cap. Oh, this smell. I should have never gotten it because I absolutely adore this smell, probably more than any perfume I've ever smelled in my entire life. And to get a big bottle, it's $500, so I don't know if I'm ever going to get one. But I do have my little travel size, which I will use sparingly, and just tell you that this scent is phenomenal. I've heard that his scents were good. Oh, it's beautiful. It's kind of cherry and just delicious. Don't try it because you'll want it, so maybe you should try it. Anyways, the next thing I got some things from Coach. I was really in the mood for a yellow bag. I've been looking at the Marc Jacobs tote, but there's another Marc Jacobs tote that I'm looking at, and since I already have, 5 of them, I thought I maybe wouldn't get the yellow or gold tote. So I just happened upon Coach at the outlets this weekend, and I found the perfect yellow bag. Wasn't sure if I wanted to go luxury just because I don't know how often I carry yellow, but I thought it'd be really fun for spring and summer, and this baby is adorable. I got this little Coach tote, and it comes with 2 nice leather handles, a little keychain, and then it comes with a nice leather adjustable strap, detachable. The interior is fabric, and it's just got a slip pocket on one side, a zippered pocket on the other. And yeah, this I would say is around the same size as a Celine Nano, maybe a little smaller, kind of more like along the lines of the Philip Lim I just got. So I just thought that was cute. It's just got the CC's, the leather emblem on the front. And then I needed something to go with it, so I thought, why not do Coach? And I got this cute little, kind of like a cornflower blue, little wristlet to go inside. This is open up to a fabric material, 2 card slots. So I thought that'd be a nice little contrast to the yellow. And then I also got, to go with it, the matching little like card holder. So it's got the CC's on this side, 1, 2, 3 slip pockets here, 1 on the top, and then an ID or card holder on the back. So I just thought that these together would go so cute for summer. So now I have the perfect summer yellow bag. So I got that. And then I was on Fashionphile again. Oh man. And this came up, and I love this. I was going to buy it when it originally came out, and it just didn't work out for me money-wise, things like that. So, whoops. So I, when this came up on Fashionphile, I don't think it had been up more than a couple hours, if that. And, there was just no way I was letting this go. This bag is so me. And I've been wanting a bag in this color. And oh, here we go. I got, oh yes, this Gucci. It's the green and blue bag. It's got the silver hardware, the silver chain with a little bit of a leather strap at the top. You can wear it long like that, or you can wear it like this. It's the Marmont. It's the small size. And then it just opens up to Why do I always have problems opening stuff online or when I'm doing videos here with you guys? It's just got a little tab at the bottom. Opens up to a black leather interior here. The inside is like a kind of canvas. It actually came, it was in excellent condition. Came with its little booklet, all its other little Gucci little booklet things. Inside has one zipper pocket. And, unless I try to zip it up now. And, yeah, I just think this bag is just gorgeous. I've been watching, Caleb Snell, and he's got the, like, I think it's it's not the camera bag. Is that what it is? But anyways, he's got it in blue, and I just absolutely love it. And then Amelia Rose has that little mini one with a multicolored, and green. Oh, green is just my favorite color. So, I saw this and no hesitation, silver hardware, I was sold. So I got that. Then, when that came out, there was another piece that was right next to it. So this also came from Fashionphile. When I got that one, I couldn't resist this one. And I was so excited because it came with a box, the dust bag, and everything. And one of the things I liked about this type of Gucci bag when it came out is they had the little like patchwork colored dust bags. So not only that, but like the tissue paper that came with it was colored, and inside the box is colored with the same patchwork. So I'm just thrilled. That was just thrilling enough. But I got to go with my sweet little new bag this wallet. This has the blue front. Hi, Caleb. And the pink here. Hey, Amelia. Okay, and it's got the silver hardware. And then it opens up to a nice red leather interior. You have 2 slip pockets here. There's a zip pocket there. 2 more card holder spots there. And it even opens up to a wallet. The interior of the wallet is fabric. But yeah, I thought these would go just perfect together, my little mama and baby. And so, yeah, I got these both. This also was in excellent condition. It's like somebody bought these and just didn't work for them, and works for me. So, yeah, I was just really excited about these items. I wanted to share them with you. If you have any questions about them or anything else, just let me know. And I'd be glad to answer any questions you have, or if you have any types of videos you'd like to see me post, just let me know. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I will have another video out on Wednesday. I did actually do an extra video this past weekend and put it out, and look forward to continuing on my every Wednesday and possibly adding more days here and there. So thank you so much for watching, and please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Until next time, bye.